In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet beautiful beaded snowflake with beads. For work you need crochet hook, ball of yarn, beads and seed beads. The seed beads are large, transparent and not outright. Before the work with red seed beads, onto the working yarn. Begin the work by making a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Begin the first round. Make a chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, draw seed beads. I am making half double crochet with seed beads. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. In total it should be 12 of them. I have done 12 half double crochet. Insert the hook into the first half double crochet and make a slip stitch. First round is made. Begin round 2. I'm going to work with round beads. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, make a chain, chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a bead, put it on the hook, the working loop is on the hook. We skip the first stitch, make a single crochet into the second stitch with bead. Chain of 5, take a bead, put it on the hook. We'll skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch by working with single crochet with bead. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. 2 are done, we need to do 4 more. I chained the last one. Now insert the hook into the chain with bead and make a slip stitch. Round is made. I'm going to make half double crochet stitches. For this, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Make 7 half double crochet into the chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one. Well done. Make 7 half double crochet stitches into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete a round half double crochet. Insert the hook into the first half double crochet and make slip stitch. Round is done. Let's begin the next one. Chain to bring up the yarn. Make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Take a bead, put it on the hook. We skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third one by working with single crochet. Make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a bead, put it on the hook, insert the hook into the same half double crochet, make single crochet with bead. Chain of 3. We skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, insert the hook into the third one, make single crochet, continue, make single crochet into the next stitch, chain of 3, take a bead, put it on the hook, we skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, insert the hook into the third one, make single crochet with bead. chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Make single crochet with bead. Chain of 3. We skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Here what we have. 2 points are done. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. As you can see, I have done all bases for all points. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch at the beginning by working a slip stitch. Begin the next round. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Draw seed beads. Make 3 half double crochet with seed beads into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Into the 2 chain space, half double crochet. Three double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Make first one, one, 2, and 3. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain with bead, and continue the work. Draw seed beads. Make 3 double crochet with seed bead, 1, 2, 3, then make half double crochet into the same chain space. Continue the work. Work into the 3 chain space. Make half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Let's stop and look what we have. The first point of the snowflake is made. It is made of seed beads and just beads. Let's begin the next one. I draw seed beads. Then yarn over the hook and make half double crochet into the next chain space. One, two, and three. And continue the work by yourself. In total it should be 6 of them. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. We skip chain stitch. Insert the hook into the half double crochet by working a slip stitch. I have already cut off the yarn and the snowflake is ready. Let's take a look at the back side. The center of the snowflake can be decorated with bead. Today we have learned how to make beautiful snowflake made of beads and seed beads. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. This is front side and this is back. Thanks for watching.